In a world where engineering meets imagination, the luxury cruise ship begins its journey.
Inside this colossal facility, the luxury cruise ship is more than metal. Hey, it is a mission.
Every component of the luxury cruise ship starts as raw steel shaped by precision.
Thousands of skilled hands align to bring the luxury cruise ship to life.
Each weld strengthens the backbone of the luxury cruise ship.
Every movement shapes the growing form of the luxury cruise ship. Technology safeguards every stage of the luxury cruise ship's construction.
Time never rests when building the luxury cruise ship.
Before steel meets steel, the luxury cruise ship. This vision will soon become reality. The luxury cruise ship has entered its creation phase.
The luxury cruise ship is first built in the minds of engineers, long before steel is cut.
Every deck of the luxury cruise ship is engineered for balance, comfort, and safety.
The luxury cruise ship is mathematically tested against forces of wind, waves, and weight.
Beneath the elegance, the luxury cruise ship hides a powerful structural framework. Before touching water, the luxury cruise ship conquers the ocean, virtually.
Aerodynamics shape the luxury cruise ship for stability and fuel efficiency.
Every propulsion decision defines how the luxury cruise ship will move across oceans.
Luxury is designed alongside engineering within the luxury cruise ship.
Safety systems are integrated into every level of the luxury cruise ship.
Each material strengthens the lifespan of the luxury cruise ship.
With a single confirmation, the luxury cruise ship moves from concept to reality.
Design data flows directly into the machines building the luxury cruise ship.
Automation ensures the luxury cruise ship is built with exact precision.
The digital phase ends. Construction of the luxury cruise ship begins.
The luxury cruise ship now leaves the screen and enters the physical world.
Construction of the luxury cruise ship begins with thousands of tons of certified marine-grade steel.
Every steel plate for the luxury cruise ship is digitally tracked and quality verified. Computer-controlled machines carve the luxury cruise ship with millimeter accuracy.
There is no margin for error when shaping the luxury cruise ship's foundation. Each component of the luxury cruise ship weighs several tons, demanding absolute control. Human expertise guides machines in forming the luxury cruise ship's core. Robotic welders ensure uniform strength across the luxury cruise ship's structure.
Every weld on the luxury cruise ship is tested beyond visible limits.
Precision alignment prepares the dock for the luxury cruise ship's keel.
This moment defines the true beginning of the luxury cruise ship. The keel of the luxury cruise ship is placed with extreme precision.
Perfect alignment ensures the long-term stability of the luxury cruise ship.
Once welded, the luxury cruise ship is permanently anchored to its design.
Segment by segment, the backbone of the luxury cruise ship grows.
The skeleton of the luxury cruise ship now exists, breathtaking, strong, silent, and ready to rise.
Hull block construction transforms raw steel into the body of the luxury cruise ship.
Controlled deformation defines the hydrodynamic shape of the luxury cruise ship.
Laser metrology ensures structural symmetry throughout the luxury cruise ship.
Submerged arc welding delivers deep penetration joints for the luxury cruise ship.
Longitudinal strength members fortify the luxury cruise ship against ocean stress.
Each hull block of the luxury cruise ship weighs hundreds of tons.
Block integration defines the macro geometry of the luxury cruise ship. Aesthetic. Watertight bulkheads compartmentalize the luxury cruise ship for survivability.
The internal frame of the luxury cruise ship distributes load across its length. Every structural weld on the luxury cruise ship is verified without compromise.
Micron-level tolerances guide the luxury cruise ship's assembly.
Construction of the luxury cruise ship continues under darkness and discipline.
Service trunks form the technical arteries of the luxury cruise ship. Longitudinal girders prevent torsional stress in the luxury cruise ship.
Block-to-block welding unifies the luxury cruise ship into a single structure.
Digital verification confirms geometric accuracy of the luxury cruise ship.
The luxury cruise ship now possesses its full structural identity.
Engineering data validates the strength of the luxury cruise ship.
Safety margins are engineered deep into the luxury cruise ship. The body of the luxury cruise ship is complete.
The luxury cruise ship now stands as a complete hull, awaiting elevation.
Superstructure blocks of the luxury cruise ship are pre-assembled with extreme precision.
Load calculations dictate every lift involving the luxury cruise ship. Gravity is challenged as the luxury cruise ship begins to rise.
Heavy lift cranes define the skyline of the luxury cruise ship's construction.
Tolerance windows for the luxury cruise ship are measured in millimeters.
Deck integration locks the vertical geometry of the luxury cruise ship.
X is natural fulling continuity. Structural continuity defines the strength of the luxury cruise ship. Block construction accelerates vertical expansion of the luxury cruise ships.
The luxury cruise ship grows, even while the world sleeps.
Vertical circulation cores become the backbone of the luxury cruise ship.
Weight distribution preserves longitudinal and transverse stability of the luxury cruise ship.
This lift completes the silhouette of the luxury cruise ship. The luxury cruise ship now possesses its full vertical presence. Deep within the luxury cruise ship lies its mechanical heart.
Medium-speed marine diesel generators power the luxury cruise ship. The mass of each generator defines the inertia of the luxury cruise ship.
Resilient mounting systems isolate harmonic resonance within the luxury cruise ship.
Shaft alignment tolerances govern propulsion efficiency of the luxury cruise ship.
Azimuth propulsion grants the luxury cruise ship unparalleled maneuverability.
Load-bearing thrust bearings transfer propulsive force through the luxury cruise ship. Integrated electric propulsion defines the energy architecture of the luxury cruise ship. Power distribution networks feed every system of the luxury cruise ship. Digital control systems synchronize torque, speed, and load within the luxury cruise ship. Thermal regulation protects the luxury cruise ship under continuous operation.
Fuel treatment systems preserve combustion integrity of the luxury cruise ship.
Acoustic engineering shields passengers from the power of the luxury cruise ship. The luxury cruise ship awakens. The propulsion systems of the luxury cruise ship stand ready. The luxury cruise ship depends on systems hidden far from view. Electrical architecture governs every function of the luxury cruise ship.
Kilometers of cabling energize the luxury cruise ship.
Redundancy is engineered into every electrical node of the luxury cruise ship.
Fluid systems circulate life through the luxury cruise ship.
Every valve within the luxury cruise ship controls pressure, flow, and safety. Pump assemblies sustain water, fuel, and cooling systems of the luxury cruise ship.
Environmental control systems regulate climate throughout the luxury cruise ship.
Safety infrastructure is permanently embedded into the luxury cruise ship.
Automation synchronizes thousands of processes within the luxury cruise ship.
Signal integrity ensures reliability of the luxury cruise ship.
Every system of the luxury cruise ship is tested beyond operational limits. Data confirms readiness of the luxury cruise ship. Invisible systems sustain the luxury cruise ship. The luxury cruise ship is now fully alive beneath the surface.
Within the steel body of the luxury cruise ship, space awaits transformation.
Human precision defines comfort inside the luxury cruise ship. Only the finest materials enter the luxury cruise ship.
Stone surfaces ground the elegance of the luxury cruise ship. Vertical openness defines the grandeur of the luxury cruise ship.
Natural textures soften the scale of the luxury cruise ship. Light transforms steel into atmosphere within the luxury cruise ship. The luxury cruise ship begins to feel alive.
architectural flow guides movement through the luxury cruise ship.
Privacy and refinement define living spaces aboard the luxury cruise ship.
Detail elevates every corner of the luxury cruise ship. Design balances beauty and motion within the luxury cruise ship. Human presence gives meaning to the scale of the luxury cruise ship.
Entertainment spaces emerge within the luxury cruise ship.
Culinary precision becomes part of the luxury cruise ship's identity.
Art humanizes the vastness of the luxury cruise ship.
Every passage aboard the luxury cruise ship is intentionally designed.
Luxury now defines the interior of the luxury cruise ship.
The luxury cruise ship Afron awaits its guests.
Attention now turns outward. The luxury cruise ship nears completion. The luxury cruise ship now receives the first treatment for perfect surfaces.
Precision coating ensures uniform adhesion across the luxury cruise ship.
Every curve of the luxury cruise ship is preserved and perfected.
Human craftsmanship refines the luxury cruise ship's final finish. Final assemblies prepare the luxury cruise ship for the elements.
Please. Silence and wind highlight the majesty of the luxury cruise ship.
Every detail is verified before the luxury cruise ship meets the ocean. The luxury cruise ship stands complete, a floating monument of engineering and elegance.
Every engine, every shaft, and every turbine of the luxury cruise ship is evaluated to perfection.
Emergency protocols are executed methodically aboard the luxury cruise ship.
Electrical integrity ensures uninterrupted function throughout the luxury cruise ship. Safety systems react instantaneously, protecting every compartment of the luxury cruise ship.
Hydraulic and ballast systems maintain stability throughout the luxury cruise ship.
Audible and visual systems alert and coordinate rapid response aboard the luxury cruise ship. Advanced navigation and control systems guide the luxury cruise ship safely across oceans.
Evacuation mechanisms are proven effective for the luxury cruise ship's passengers.
Every weld, valve, and fixture is verified on the luxury cruise ship.
The luxury cruise ship has passed all trials. It is ready for its ultimate voyage.
The luxury cruise ship moves toward destiny, every detail ready for its first voyage.
Steel meets water as the luxury cruise ship begins its historic entry. Brand identity is etched into the hull, making the luxury cruise ship unmistakable. Exterior surfaces gleam with scientific perfection on the luxury cruise ship.
The luxury cruise ship is now afloat, cradled by the ocean.
Celebration marks the culmination of years of engineering. Bernevian, the luxury cruise ship is alive.
The luxury cruise ship embarks on its journey, a floating testament to vision, craftsmanship, and elegance.